Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use 3D or live wallpaper on your iOS 26 on iPhone. So I'm update my iOS 26 and you just select any photo. So like I'm select this photo, use 3D and live wallpaper, click on to share option, scroll down, press on use as wallpaper, and you need to first make sure to it's 3D or live. So press on. Okay, now successfully it's make 3D or live. So follow my background, it's moving. Press on add, and now set. So look here, now it's set 3D and live wallpaper.